Hi everyone! Welcome back to Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook our version of Yangchow fried rice. This is a simple and easy way to level up your leftover rice. We will use 2 cups leftover rice, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 4 slices of maling or any type of luncheon meat, 1 small onion, 3 small carrots, 2 stalks of spring onion, 2 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Let's prepare our ingredients. Beat the eggs and set aside. Then, cut the luncheon meat into cubes. Do the same for the carrots, but cut them into smaller cubes. Chop also the spring onion and onion. Heat a small amount of oil in the pan, and once the oil is hot enough, pour in the beaten eggs. Remove from the pan and set aside. Add a small amount of oil in the same pan, then fry the luncheon meat until brown. Then add the onion and stir for 2 to 3 minutes until the onion is fragrant. Add the carrots and stir for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add the leftover rice and soy sauce. Mix until the soy sauce is well blended with the rice. Add the eggs and mix for 2 minutes. Give it a taste and season with salt if necessary. Lastly, add the spring onion and mix until the ingredients are well blended. And it's done! This is an easy-to-cook dish that you can serve for breakfast. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!